Want to know how to transfer files from your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 to your Android phone? After watching this video, you can get all your photos and videos on your phone in no time. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer files from your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 to your Android phone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. Wireless transfer. First, turn on your DJI Osmo camera. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Make sure your Osmo Pocket 3 is connected to the DJI Mimo app. Now tap on the Album tab in the DJI Mimo app. From here, you can download the recorded files. Instead of ejecting SD card is really annoying. So, select or tap on the file you want to download. Then tap on Download icon in the top right corner. Files can be downloaded directly to your Android phone. Method 2. Wired transfer. Get a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now plug the cable into the Pocket 3 and the charging port of your phone. Then turn on your Pocket. Now tap on File Transfer USB/OTG from the camera. Then grab your phone. Sometimes the USB-C port detects an issue, especially Samsung. In that case, you can follow my first method. But here, I'm using my Xiaomi phone. So now, grab your phone, find the Files app, tap on it, now tap Browse from below. Then tap USB device. Now tap on DSIM folder. Then tap on DJI folder. Here you'll find all of your files. Now select your file that you want to transfer. Then copy your file and paste in your phone's external storage. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to transfer videos from a DJI Osmo Pocket camera to your Android phone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.